On July 10, 2025, Nvidia became the first company ever to reach a market valuation of over $4 trillion. This number is staggering, greater than the combined value of all public companies in major countries like the UK. Nvidia's rise signals a new era, one powered by artificial intelligence. For decades, Apple and Microsoft led the way, but Nvidia's achievement marks a fundamental shift in what the world values most. Nvidia's success comes from building the essential tools that power the AI revolution. Think of it as the digital gold rush. Nvidia is selling the shovels and pickaxes. Its journey to $4 trillion wasn't easy. It faced explosive growth and serious challenges. The company's stock soared over 1,000% since early 2023, making it the world's most valuable company. Understanding Nvidia's path reveals where technology and business are heading. In this video, we'll explore how Nvidia reached this milestone, why its products are so critical, and what this means for the future. We'll also look at its stock performance, its place among tech giants, and the risks it faces. By the end, you'll see why Nvidia's $4 trillion moment is a defining event for technology and the global economy. Nvidia designs specialized computer chips, best known as GPUs. Originally, these chips made video games look stunning, but their real power is parallel processing, handling countless calculations at once. This made them perfect for artificial intelligence, which demands massive computational power. Nvidia's GPUs became the engines behind everything from language models to self-driving cars. Today, its main products are high-end processors for AI data centers, far more powerful than typical PC chips. Tech giants like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon fill their data centers with Nvidia's chips, making them the industry standard. Without Nvidia, the rapid progress in AI would not be possible. Nvidia is more than a chip company. It's the backbone of modern AI infrastructure. Its technology powers scientific research, creative tools, and the AI chatbots we use daily. Quietly, Nvidia became central to the tech universe, and the AI explosion put it in the spotlight. This central role explains its astonishing growth and expanding global influence. Nvidia's chips are now the core building blocks of the digital future. Nvidia's path to $4 trillion wasn't smooth. 2025 began with serious challenges. Investors worried that demand for AI chips might slow, especially as tech giants reconsidered their spending. Geopolitical tensions, especially U.S. restrictions on chip exports to China, threatened a major market for Nvidia. China's push for its own AI technology and U.S. trade policies added to the uncertainty. Early in 2025, Nvidia's stock struggled, and doubts about its future grew. The narrative shifted from unstoppable growth to real risks. Even Nvidia's biggest supporters were tested. But instead of faltering, Nvidia adapted and found new growth in other regions. As tech companies doubled down on AI investments, fears faded. Nvidia's rebound proved its market strength and set the stage for a historic surge. The company's resilience turned a rocky start into a record-breaking year. After a shaky start, Nvidia's stock took off in 2025. Strong financial results erased investor fears. Demand for AI chips was even greater than expected. Tech giants poured billions into AI, and nearly all of it went to Nvidia. In 2025 alone, Nvidia's stock jumped over 20%. Since early 2023, it soared more than 1,000%, a rare feat for a company of its size. Each new product and earnings report fueled the rally, pushing Nvidia past milestone after milestone. It hit $1 trillion in 2023, $3 trillion a year later, and $4 trillion by July 2025, faster than Apple or Microsoft ever did. On July 10th, Nvidia closed at $4.004 trillion, making history. Despite the surge, its price-to-earnings ratio is lower than its 5-year average, showing profits are keeping pace. This reassures investors that Nvidia's growth is built on real business, not just hype. The stock surge cemented Nvidia's place as the world's most valuable company. Nvidia's rise has reshaped the entire stock market. The S&P 500, tracking America's largest companies, now has Nvidia as its heavyweight, making up 7.5% of the index. This is one of the largest shares ever held by a single company. Nvidia's daily stock moves can lift or drag the whole market. Its $4 trillion value is greater than all public companies in the UK combined. Nvidia has surpassed national economies and entire stock markets in scale. It's no longer just a market participant, it's a force shaping the market's direction. The corporate hierarchy has shifted. Microsoft is now second at $3.73 trillion, Apple third at $3.17 trillion. Nvidia's swift ascent signals a new set of priorities for the global economy. Its dominance highlights the central role of AI in today's world. Investors and market watchers are paying close attention to this unprecedented concentration of power. Nvidia's influence now extends far beyond technology. It's a pillar of the global financial system. Nvidia stands apart from other tech giants like Microsoft and Apple. Microsoft thrives on software and cloud services, Apple on consumer devices. Nvidia, however, is the essential supplier, the engine maker for the AI revolution. Its main customers are other tech giants, not individuals. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta all need Nvidia's advanced chips to compete in AI. This makes Nvidia a supplier to the giants, profiting no matter who wins the AI race. Its unique position shields it from direct competition with its customers. Nvidia's focus on foundational hardware gave it a head start as AI demand exploded. While others adapted, Nvidia was already the leader in the exact technology the world suddenly needed. This perfect alignment fueled its explosive growth and unique role at the center of the new tech economy. Nvidia's business model is built for the AI era. Nvidia's historic rise is driven by the global AI boom. AI is transforming every industry, from healthcare to customer service. Building and running AI systems requires immense computing power, Nvidia's specialty. Tech giants are in an arms race, investing billions in AI data centers packed with Nvidia chips. The more powerful the AI, the more they need Nvidia's hardware. Startups, researchers, and even governments rely on Nvidia's technology. Its software platform, CUDA, locks developers into the Nvidia ecosystem, making it hard for competitors to catch up. Nvidia controls over 80% of the AI chip market, a near monopoly. If you want to compete in AI, you need Nvidia. This insatiable demand is why Nvidia's value has eclipsed every other company on Earth. Despite its dominance, Nvidia faces real risks. Geopolitical tensions, especially US-China trade restrictions, threaten key markets. Export controls block Nvidia's most advanced chips from China, pushing China to develop its own alternatives. Trade policy shifts, like new tariffs, add volatility and uncertainty. Competition is heating up. AMD, Intel, and even Nvidia's own customers are developing rival chips. So far, no one matches Nvidia's performance, but a breakthrough could change everything. There's also the risk that AI infrastructure spending could slow as the market matures. If investment cools, Nvidia's growth could stall, disappointing investors. Navigating these risks will be crucial for Nvidia's future. The company must innovate and adapt to stay on top. Its position is powerful, but not unassailable. Nvidia's $4 trillion milestone is more than a financial record. It marks the dawn of the AI era. For decades, tech was led by PCs, the internet, and mobile devices. Now, AI is the main driver of value and innovation. Nvidia's achievement proves that building the tools for a new gold rush can be more valuable than searching for gold itself. Its focus on foundational technology put it at the center of a global transformation. But the story isn't just about success. Nvidia must navigate fierce competition, trade tensions, and shifting markets. Its future will shape the entire tech sector and global economy. This milestone marks the moment AI became the organizing principle of our economy. Nvidia didn't just build a company, it built the engine for a new world. Its valuation reflects the power and potential of AI to reshape society. The story of Nvidia's rise will be remembered as the moment the true value of the AI revolution was finally understood.